Today I'm going to show you guys how to use a GoPro accessory with your normal camera. Because I'm a new person on YouTube, so I don't have pretty much accessory to these times. So I want my camera mounted on my helmet. So I went to camera shop. They gave me a couple things. That's the frame we can attach with the normal camera, and this is a double side tape to the we can call this small adapter things, and it can go to here, and these double side tape can go to your helmet on the center. I will show you guys how to do that. 1 second. So you're gonna say, how I gonna attach my camera with this frame? So they also gave me a small bolt on it. That's the same thread what you have in your camera, and we can plug this one with this. It goes here, just like that, and this can come out like this. So camera will go there, and this will go here like this, and this will mount here on the helmet. So first of all, we're gonna measure the helmet. So we're gonna find the center point on it, and then we're gonna flip the tape and wipe it, put it on. That's it. How easy is it? Let's do it. I got measure tape. I'm gonna measure point from here to there. Let's see. Guys, this is 20 inch, so we're gonna go to 10 inch. There you go. Here is my 10 inch. I just want to measure this side, not this side. I don't mind if a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow same center line, so I can mount this one like that. It's pretty simple if you guys don't know. So the camera house have thousands kind of accessories, so you can use on normal, cheap or expensive, any kind of cameras. It's easy to save some money too, eh? Okay. Make sure don't touch these ones, because sometimes the fingers, so they're not good enough. Once you touch, maybe the glue on the tape is not gonna stay long. Make sure, guys, you on the center. Boom. There is it. Let's try to remove this. Not easy. Solid. Pretty solid. Okay. So now I'm going to mount the frame on my helmet. There you go. So I can adjust these things everywhere. So there you have it. That's how you can mount your normal camera with the GoPro accessory. Now you guys gonna ask me how much it cost me. This small thing cost me $10.95, and this frame with the adapter, it's cost me $24.95, probably $25, and $10 is $35. Yeah, right. With the $35, this mountain, it's gonna worth a lot. Alright, so now we can go for a ride. There you go, guys. That's how it looks like. It's pretty solid, strong. It's not going anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much. If you like, please comment, share, and thumbs up. Cheers.